how to add stickers on Snapchat. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, just simply open up your Snapchat, and then once you're here, what you want to do from here is to just simply access your photos and where you have your sticker. So beside this camera button right there, just simply click on the gallery section right there beside it to the left side of it. So just click on that. Afterwards, you'll be redirected here in your camera roll. And then from here, what you want to do is to look for the sticker that you want to add on Snapchat. So for example, I'll just use this image right there. So what you want to do is to just simply go to the right side over here, click on the arrow, and then just simply click on the scissors key. Afterwards, what you want to do now is you just simply outline an object with your finger to make a sticker. So yeah, so just what you want to do is to just outline the object that you want to make as a sticker. And then there you go, we now have our sticker. So keep in mind, you can also resize it and etc, etc. And then if you want to add it again, just go to the sticker icon right there on the top right under the pencil icon. So just click on that. From here, what you want to do is go to the scissors icon right there, and then you'll get to see all of the stickers that you've made. So just click on it again, and then there you go. You can now resize it, move it anywhere you want, and etc, etc. So feel free to customize your stickers out. And then once you're done, you can either save this, send this to a friend, or you can do anything with it. Then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add stickers on Snapchat.